If you have perennials in your garden, then you need to do something right now before it's too late. Let me show you what to look for. This is a good example of what a lot of your perennials are gonna look like in the wintertime. The tops are going to completely die, but the root stays alive and then it resprouts from the base. Right now, we gotta get rid of all these dead tops because we're starting to see new growth already down here. If you wanna get a little closer, you can see next year's growth is already starting to grow up in the mix of all of this old stubble. And if you don't clear off the old growth right now, that new growth is gonna continue to come up, get mixed in with all the dead stuff, and then it's going to be impossible to get rid of it without harming the new growth. All right, so I'm gonna just go in here and lift this up and clip away a lot of this old growth and get rid of it, and that's gonna allow sunlight to get down there. Our new growth is gonna grow faster, and it's gonna look a lot nicer in the early spring. This one's gonna be even more dramatic. This is a Gara plant, whirling butterflies plant. Watch what happens when I take this top away here. Look at that. We've got fresh new growth coming up right here. Within a week or two, that would have already been growing right in the middle of all this stuff, and it would just look terrible if we left it. That's all there is to it. Same thing goes for your ornamental grasses. Anything that is brown and crispy, go ahead and take that off now in late winter before things really ramp up for spring.